This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default font size in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Gmail. To change the default font size in Gmail, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is log into your Gmail account. Next thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner and click on the little gear wheel. Then you want to go down and click on See All Settings. In the page that opens up here, I am on the General tab, and you want to scroll down to where it says Default Text Style. And in this little box right here, it gives you an option to change your font style, your font size, your font color. I'm going to click on font size. You can choose between small. By default, it's set at normal. You could choose large or huge. Say that I want mine to be large. I'm going to click on large. It shows you right down here what your text is going to look like. Gives you a little example. And then you want to scroll to the bottom and you want to click on Save Changes. That is how to change your default font size in Gmail. Thanks for watching.